Ramazan, 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 Ramazan.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dr. Muhammad Abdul Qadir from All India Baitul Imdad Charitable Trust. In this critical condition due to COVID-19, the whole India is locked down, and All India Baitul Imdad Charitable Trust team is working from the beginning of the lockdown, and we are providing ration at different places at Hyderabad. Today we are providing ration at Khairatabad and we are thankful to our donors Dr. Ahmed bin Mohsin, Qasim Bhai and friends. And we are very thankful to our organizing committee, Bride Association. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.